everyone, Afik here from Bythebillions. A lot of you know at this point that we are giving away a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado as part of our MX90 giveaway campaign. What does the car look like? Well, I have it here with me today, right next to me. So we have acquired this recently from its original owner. It's been a one-owner car since new, bought brand new from UMW Toyota Motors in the late 90s. And this is it in all of its original, unmolested aubergine purple form. First up, let's talk about the engine. Okay, we get it, geopolitics. Right now, the diesel prices are standing at 5 ringgit 52 cents a liter. In Malaysia, as of today, we're not gonna do you a bad one or give away to you a diesel vehicle. You've got a 2.7 liter gasoline, petroleum, 4-cylinder engine, very economical, very quiet, very reliable, and that's exactly what you need. All right, so now that we've established that this is not a diesel vehicle, let's talk about the rest of the car. First up, we have the original bull bar or the brush guard, whatever you want to call it, with a Land Cruiser Prado decal lettering on it. Let's talk about the wheels. Now you have these really sought after 16-inch steelies that in the 4x4 community, a lot of people are looking for these because these are super durable for off-roading. You have the freewheel hub lock over here, original suspension. You have the fender flares. You have the side steps so your grandma can get into the car with relative ease. You have not folding mirrors, but it is power adjustable. 4 doors for maximum practicality. Let's pop up the back of the vehicle and see what's like from the back. Pretty roomy interior over here. And you also have a 12-volt plug over here so that your kid sitting in the third row can plug your USB devices and charge it up while on those long road trips that you're about to take if you win this Prado. Just look at the state of this car. It's got a little bit of stains here, but that's, it comes with age. A little bit of elbow grease that's gonna pop right off. There are no rips or tears on the fabric at all. So you can tell that this car has probably never been off-road. It was well taken care of by the previous owner. And these seats fold forward as well for a lot more space. And I wanna direct your attention to the air conditioning vents over here on both sides for the second row and for the third row. With a hit of a button, all 3 rows, all 7 of your passengers, including you, will be feeling ice cold in the dreadful Malaysian weather. All right, now for the most important part, the driver's seat, because this is where you are going to be sitting when you win the car. Look at this. You have power windows so that you can pay your touch and go with no hesitations. You've got power locking everything. You have here, like I said, we have the adjustable mirrors. No fuss steering wheel, no buttons that can fail in your ownership. It's just honk. Over here you have the multi-information display that tells you the pitch and roll. This is the clinometer. Then you have your bearings over here. And over here you have the grab handles for the passenger for when you make some dubious decisions when going off-road. And over here in the middle you have 2 cup holders for 1 big bottle or 2 cups at McDonald's. And you have another 2 over here as well. Look at how thoughtful this vehicle is. The best thing about this car is that it still has a manual transmission. Look, it's a Land Cruiser Prado, I know. If you've not driven a manual vehicle of this size, I can assure you that it feels just like driving a manual Myvi, Kalisa or Saga. It is super light and nimble. You have 5 forward gears and a reverse gear, and then you have the transfer case as well. So you have part-time 4-wheel drive, you have the 2 high, 4 high, and then the 4-wheel drive low range gearing as well. Now everything is super tactile, everything works. I've already tested it to make sure that you're not going to be stranded off-road. And you have the glove box with the original Toyota owner's manual. Just look at that, guys. This is vintage, this is retro. Everything's handwritten from back then. Now this is a piece of history right here, and this goes with the car. It's a beautiful car, huh? What do you think? Right now, it is a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado J95, but by the time that we're done with it, it's going to be called the Prado MX90. And if you're wondering how you can win one of these cars, it's really simple. We have the Prado MX90 giveaway campaign. All you got to do is head onto our website and purchase 1 t-shirt from the Prado MX90 collection, and that equates to 1 entrance into the lucky draw and the giveaways. If you purchase all 3 designs, what's going to happen is that we're going to do you a favor. We're going to double up your entries and you're going to get 6 entries into the giveaway. Does that sound good? I think it is. Well, it's really simple. Get the t-shirts while stocks last, and until then, we're gonna start work on this car so that we're gonna change it to the Prado MX90. Take care, good luck, and bye-bye.